I'm sure you've used plenty of text-to-speech tools, but IndexTTS 2 stands out with its emotion control. With just a 5 to 10 second voice sample, you can generate speech from any text. Keep the original voice, copy emotions from a reference audio, or choose built-in emotions like happy, sad, angry. Not only you can choose, then you can adjust them with simple sliders. The results sound natural and expressive. First, listen to the original voice. I use only of 8 seconds.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday, and sorry, not being truthful from the start, but hope you are doing well. And this TTS can clone voice with emotions.
Now that you've heard what IndexTTS 2 is capable of, let's install it step by step and get everything running on your computer. I'll cover the complete setup, download all the required files, fix any common errors along the way, and by the end of this video, you'll be generating high-quality emotional text-to-speech completely on your own. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page. You can read documentations and every detail you need to know about this tool from here. The also installation instructions, but they are very complicated. If you follow this video, you will easily install this. To install, you need at least 4 GB NVIDIA graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows. I have made a playlist about installing these dependencies. You can watch and easily install them. To install IndexTTS, on main page, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A command prompt window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone IndexTTS. Type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Now activate venv with activation code. Upgrade setup tools. Copy and paste pip upgrade code to upgrade pip. Now run this requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, install Gradio. Once Gradio installed, remove Hugging Face Hub. Install Hugging Face Hub this version. Now remove Torch Audio and Torch Vision. Now install PyTorch, but first make sure what version it is. To install PyTorch, go to main page of it, and copy matching PyTorch to your CUDA version. If you don't find matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change CUDA version to yours and add Torch Audio and list before installing PyTorch. Once PyTorch installed, run main code. Running main code first time will download models. Once you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch IndexTTS 2. To use this again and avoid running code in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click this run file and use it. To use it, upload audio file you want this to sound like.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday.
Type text you want to convert to speech. Add emotions, that's all up to you. If you want to upload reference audio or emotions control, then click synthesize.
And this TTS can copy emotions.
And that's it. You now have IndexTTS 2 installed and ready to use on your computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.